Buying a used car can feel like rolling the dice, and the last thing you want is to end up with a money pit that leaves you stranded and broke. But what if I told you there are certain cars under $5,000 that simply refuse to quit? Backed by real-world owner reports, expert reviews, and millions of miles on the road, these models prove you can drive smart, save money, and still enjoy peace of mind. In today's video, we're going to break down 5 of the most reliable used cars you can buy right now, vehicles that keep running strong long after others have given up. At number 1, we have a car that delivers Lexus-level comfort without the Lexus price tag, the Toyota Avalon from the 2000 to 2005 model years. This full-size sedan is one of the most underrated bargains in the used car market because it combines Toyota's legendary reliability with a driving experience that feels far more premium than its price suggests. Power comes from a 3.0-liter V6 engine that has earned a reputation for being nearly indestructible, with many examples easily surpassing 250,000 miles on nothing more than basic maintenance. The 4-speed automatic transmission may sound old-fashioned today, but its simplicity makes it smooth, durable, and much cheaper to maintain compared to the CVTs and turbocharged engines found in modern vehicles. Owners consistently report low annual running costs, averaging around $463 per year, which is shockingly affordable for a sedan of this size and class. Beyond the mechanics, the Avalon truly shines in comfort. It offers a quiet, well-insulated cabin, a smooth ride, and an interior so spacious that long road trips feel effortless. Many owners even call it a Lexus in disguise because it shares so many components with Toyota's luxury division. While some early models had minor cosmetic issues such as cracked dashboards or worn suspension parts, these are inexpensive fixes compared to the kinds of problems you'd face with European luxury sedans from the same era. If you're looking for a car that feels first-class inside, costs economy car money to maintain, and will likely outlast your driveway, the early 2000s Toyota Avalon is a hidden gem that deserves far more attention than it gets. At number 2, we have a subcompact car that proves small doesn't mean fragile, the Honda Fit from 2007 to 2013. This hatchback is shockingly practical, incredibly reliable, and one of the smartest buys you can make under $5,000. Under the hood sits a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that might be small in size but is built with Honda's legendary engineering, capable of running well past 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance. Unlike many cars in this price range, the Fit uses a timing chain instead of a belt, which means you don't have to worry about an expensive replacement down the road. RepairPal gives it an impressive 4.5 out of 5 reliability rating, and owners report annual maintenance costs averaging just $390 lower than most sedans and even some compact SUVs. But what truly makes the Fit stand out is its incredible versatility. Thanks to Honda's innovative Magic Seat system, the rear seats can fold flat or flip up, creating multiple cargo configurations and offering up to 57.3 cubic feet of storage space, more than some mid-size SUVs. That means whether you're hauling groceries, bikes, or even small furniture, the Fit adapts to your lifestyle with ease. On top of that, fuel economy is excellent, delivering around 33 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most efficient budget cars you can buy. Sure, some early models had minor issues with ignition coils or power steering, but these are inexpensive fixes that don't take away from its long-term dependability. If you're looking for a small, affordable car that drives like new, costs almost nothing to keep on the road, and offers cargo space that rivals bigger vehicles, the Honda Fit is a brilliant choice that punches way above its weight class. At number 3, we have a car that wears an American badge, but is pure Toyota underneath, the Pontiac Vibe from 2003 to 2008. If you've ever wanted Corolla-level reliability in a hatchback body style, this is the one. Built as a joint project between General Motors and Toyota, the Vibe is essentially a rebadged Toyota Matrix, which means you're getting proven Toyota engineering wrapped in a slightly different design. Under the hood sits Toyota's legendary 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, the same one found in the Corolla, and it's not uncommon to see these cars running strong with over 200,000 miles on the odometer with little more than routine oil changes. Fuel efficiency is another major selling point, with many owners reporting highway numbers in the 35 to 38 miles per gallon range, making it one of the most practical and economical cars you can buy under $5,000. The Vibe also surprises with its versatility, offering a roomy hatchback design, flat folding rear seats, and even an available 110-volt household outlet, a rare feature for a compact car from this era. On top of that, some models came with optional all-wheel drive, giving you extra traction in snowy or rainy conditions without sacrificing reliability. Annual repair costs average around $400, and because it shares so many parts with Toyota models, maintenance is both easy and inexpensive. While some early 2003 models had minor transmission noise issues, Toyota quickly addressed the problem, and later years are virtually bulletproof. If you want Toyota dependability at a lower price than a Corolla, the Pontiac Vibe is an underrated gem that combines practicality, efficiency, and reliability in a single affordable package. At number 4, we have a luxury sedan that proves comfort and style don't have to come with a huge price tag, the Lincoln MKZ from the early 2010s. While many luxury cars in this price range become financial nightmares, the MKZ stands out as one of the most reliable and affordable entry-level luxury sedans you can find under $5,000. Power comes from a strong 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 263 horsepower, giving this Lincoln plenty of punch for highway merging or passing, while still delivering respectable fuel economy of up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway. The 6-speed automatic transmission is smooth, and some models even came with all-wheel drive, making it a solid choice for drivers in snowy or rainy climates. Inside, the MKZ feels every bit like a premium sedan, with standard leather upholstery, heated and cooled front seats, a premium sound system, and excellent build quality that still holds up more than a decade later. Owners consistently praise the MKZ for combining long-term reliability with comfort features you'd normally associate with higher-end German luxury brands, but at a fraction of the cost to own and maintain. Average annual repair costs hover around $500, which is surprisingly affordable considering the level of equipment this car offers. While a handful of owners have reported issues with transmission hesitation or minor power steering leaks, these problems are far less common and much cheaper to address than the headaches that usually come with used luxury vehicles. If you've always dreamed of driving a feature-packed luxury sedan but don't want to drain your bank account, the early 2010 Lincoln MKZ is one of the smartest and most overlooked choices on the used car market today. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this list, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos on the smartest used cars you can buy. And tell us in the comments, have you ever owned one of these models, or do you have a reliability story of your own? We'd love to hear your experience. At number 5, we have one of the most trusted mid-size sedans ever built, the Toyota Camry from the early 2000s. For decades, the Camry has been the go-to choice for families, commuters, and even rideshare drivers who need a car that simply won't let them down. The 2002 to 2006 models, in particular, are among the most reliable used sedans you can buy today for under $5,000. Powering these cars is Toyota's legendary 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, a chain-driven design that eliminates the costly timing belt replacements other cars require. With proper oil changes and routine service, it's common to see these engines surpass 200,000 miles without major issues. Owners love the fact that maintenance is dirt cheap, averaging just $388 per year, which is lower than many compact cars despite the Camry being larger and more comfortable. Beyond its bulletproof reliability, the Camry delivers a smooth, quiet ride and fuel economy of around 30 miles per gallon on the highway, making it both practical and efficient. Inside, the build quality is simple but durable, with cabins that resist wear surprisingly well over time. Some early models experienced minor oil seepage or oxygen sensor failures, But these are inexpensive, one-time fixes that don't affect long-term dependability. For anyone who wants a mid-size sedan that drives comfortably, saves money on repairs, and can easily outlast most of its competitors, the early 2000s. Toyota Camry is a safe bet and one of the smartest purchases in the used car market. And that's the beauty of the used car market. With the right knowledge, you don't have to spend a fortune to drive something reliable, practical, and built to last. The smartest buyers are the ones who do their research and pick cars that stand the test of time instead of chasing trends. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your own experiences in the comments below. What's the most reliable car you've ever owned? We'd love to hear your story.